Hello and welcome. I hope all you doing well and safe. And happy New Year, or happy holiday. And today I will explain you little bit how I took this trade, and this was his missing trade. Usually I try to record my live trades, and I was busy. That's why I not took trade in last week. I not made so much video, and I made I think 2 or 3 videos is very un and so much trade hit my break evens. And when you trade you want big RR, big risk to reward. This happened a lot when market trade like that, and you trade here and market tap in and then trade, and market when you break even, market come like that. Last week happened with me like that, and some SL as well. And I will explain you why I took this trade. Okay, here I took trade last day after a break of structure in lower time frame, and market come back to my break even in in this point, or I think in this point. Okay guys, you see clearly this region. This is demand zone because market this impulsive move happened because of this range. Okay, okay, when market reach last zone, this one, this all liquidity in this area, okay, I show you first of my entry here. This is buy euro USD. Okay, 112798. This is my entry and this is my SL 112785, and this is time buy. Okay, yes, this was time. Okay, when we come in time. Okay, watch here is price. Here was my entry. Here is my entry, and like 1 and 6 1 1.6 is my SL 1.6 pip. Okay, here is my SL. Okay, when market come in this region, okay, this is last demand area. This cause break of structure very strongly. Okay, and when we come tap into here, Here is market breakout structure, this region test. Okay, I was entering this trade here. I looking for entry, but after this one, okay, after this one I saw this leg, and I waiting for market. After that market come like that and then fly, but not happen that market made other impulsive move. This is for I was thinking this little bit is tricky. Usually market do one impulsive move after flying. Okay, tap into beautifully trade. Here is in this zone is break even zone. Okay, this is break even like that, and then market fly beautifully. That trade was 1274. Yes, very beautiful trade. Okay guys, and other I took trade this one. Not I took trade this is my miss entry. Here is missed entry. Okay, same story. This cause breakout structure, market come, okay, and test this one in watch this breakout structure and not mitigated fully this week. Okay, I usually trade in weeks. When I see week, that's why my stop loss very small. 2 pip, 1 pip, 1.5 pip, 2.3 pips. Okay, market tap into this zone. Here is okay. Here is my buy limit, but market not tap into 134099. This is my entry and here is my SL 13404. Okay, here is market came in this zone and came deeply. Yes, here is breakout structure. Yes, happened in this one. Here is happened breakout structure, and I teach how you choose breakout structure, because when you waiting for higher time frame point of interest, lower time frame, lots of time happened breakout structure, fake breakout structures. Okay, and that I teach how you can understand. This is if this breakout structure hold. Okay, if this is not hold, it's mean this market not respect this whole point of interest. Okay, market again breakout structure second time, and now I was looking in this leg. Okay, here is my buy limit, or here is my manually looking for buy. Watch how closely market come and fly that second third time. Okay, that's why this entries, I think two time is missing. One time is here is my buy limits, and here I looking for manually market tap into and then fly. But this is not happening. You catch, it's impossible to catch every single trade. And I hope I am making sense and you understand. You have a question, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Bye guys.